Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so excited to share today's word with you. The word of the day is bear. It's an A2 level noun that refers to a large animal. These animals are known for their strength and thick fur, and they live in many parts of the world, from forests to mountains and even icy regions. Let's start with the definition. A bear is a big mammal with a bulky body, strong claws, and a shaggy coat. Depending on the type, bears can be black, brown, or even white, like the polar bear. They're often associated with nature, wilderness, and sometimes fairy tales. Now, let's explore some synonyms for bear. One synonym is grizzly, which refers specifically to a type of brown bear. For example, you might say, "The hiker saw a grizzly near the river." Another synonym is Bruin, a word often used in storytelling, as in, "The Bruin wandered through the village." Each of these words can add variety to your vocabulary. What about antonyms? While bear doesn't have direct antonyms since it's a specific animal, you might contrast it with something small and delicate like a mouse. For instance, the mouse hid in the corner, unlike the towering bear in the woods. This contrast highlights the size difference between the two animals. How can you use bear in everyday life? You might use it literally, like, "I saw a bear on my camping trip last summer." Or figuratively, as in, "He's as strong as a bear," to describe someone with great physical strength. You'll also find bear in common expressions like bear hug, which means a tight and warm embrace, or to bear the weight, which means to handle responsibility or stress. Here are a few more examples of sentences with bear. The bear searched for food near the stream. The zoo has a new exhibit featuring a polar bear. She gave him a big bear hug after not seeing him for years. Try using these sentences to practice how bear fits into conversation. To sum up, we've learned that a bear is a large and powerful animal, explored some synonyms like grizzly and Bruin, and thought about how the size and strength of a bear contrasts with a mouse. We also looked at everyday uses and fun expressions that include the word. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the podcast, and it means so much to me. I'd love to hear how you use the word bear in a sentence, so feel free to share your example in the comments. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you again soon.